Hi, I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the journaling, deluxe journaling, and stationery kits from the November 2025 Moss and Mirth collection. Let's check out the Moss and Mirth journaling kit. This kit is designed to, let me back up. It's designed to be low profile. So all of the items are not going to add tremendous bulk to your project. So if you're somebody who doesn't like bulky items, is using a Tomoe River paper planner or another bound planner or notebook, then this might be the kit for you. So this kit contains 2 sheets of rub-on transfers. They are both different designs, and you have decorative elements, you have watercolor splashes, and then you have a handful of phrases that can be used in any way, but they will also help maybe prompt some of your journaling. We also have a sticker kit, and these stickers are printed on our Vellum sticker paper, so it's a little bit thinner than regular sticker paper. We have a sheet of stickers that have both strips and decorative elements, and then there is another one of those. Plus we have a full sheet sticker. This is, you just peel it off and it's just one big sheet. You can cut it up, you can use it how it is, lots of different options there. And there's another one of those full sheet stickers. Plus we have our alphabet sticker set where you have uppercase and lowercase stickers. Plus we have a sticker sheet that has the days of the week and the dates, and then a couple of boxes as well. So lots of stickers to use in your journals, planners, scrapbooks, all of that. Now this kit also comes with a decorative card that includes 10 journaling prompts that are perfect for using however you would like. But if you're maybe stuck, you just need some ideas, you could turn to these, or if you like to use them as your prompts throughout the month, they are great for that. And then last but not least, this kit also includes a roll of green sort of fern washi tape. So this is the Moss and Mirth journaling kit, and you can see photos of it, digital renderings, and projects using this kit on our website when you click the subscribe page. Now we have our Moss and Mirth Deluxe Journaling Kit. This kit comes in our plastic folder that is great for storing your kits, of course, but it also is wonderful for adding other items to keep them organized or to keep your kits on the go. Let's go ahead and pull out the items that are included in this kit. First up, we have 3 sheets of patterned paper. They are 13 inches by 8.5 inches, and they are scored in the center. So as you can see, when I open this up all the way, you can see the text here, and then on this side, the watercolor. This one has this sort of plaid, and the inside has the mushrooms and pine cones. And then last is this one with the ferns and the other sort of leaf pattern. Next up, we have a couple of sheets of lovely first is the brown specialty paper. You can see it looks handmade, and it is just sort of that perfect cocoa brown. And then we have a sheet of vellum that has leaves and mushrooms printed on it with gold foil. It's so pretty. Now, these 3 pieces of patterned paper are also included in the planner kit, and these 2 are exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. Now, a couple of other exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit are these 2 sheets of patterned paper. So this side has a ledger on it, and the back is a dark green grid. I could not think of that word. And here is a green ledger, and then the back side has a brown pattern in the center, and then with the mushrooms and pine cones around the edges. And as I already said, these two are also exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. We have 2 sheets of rub-on transfers included in this kit as well, and they have lots of individual items for decorating, plus a couple of watercolor swatches and phrases. And then the same is true for this sheet, although it is different. It's not the same designs, but it's the same idea. Both of these sheets of rub-on transfers are also included in our journaling kit. Now, speaking of the journaling kit, we also have a kit of sticker sheets that are printed on vellum sticker paper. That makes them a little bit thinner, so if you prefer to not add bulk with your stickers, these are great for that. So we have a sheet that has these strips that are like washi tape, and then the decorative elements on the top. We also have alphabet stickers that include both upper and lowercase. This is a full sheet, so you can just peel it off and use this full image, or you can use scissors or your paper trimmer to cut it up and use it in a variety of ways. There is another sheet that is a full sheet, and that is this green plaid, and another with decorative elements plus the washi strips at the bottom. And last but not least, we have the days of the week and the dates, and then a couple of boxes. So those are the stickers that are included in the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and they are also included in our journaling kit as well. Now, another sheet of stickers is these PET stickers, and they are kiss cut as well. And so all you have to do is just simply peel them off the sheet. No trimming or cutting required. And these are the same stickers that are included in our planner kit. We have a sticky notepad that at the top says keeping track, and then also has these little checklist, sorry I couldn't think of that word either, included on here. It's a little bit larger than some of the other ones, but it's not enormous. It's just a perfect size, and this is also included in our planner kit. Now, in case you need it, we also include a beautiful little card that works well because it's super decorative. However, we also have 10 journaling prompts that you can use throughout the month or any time to jumpstart your journaling. This is also included in our journaling kit. Now, we have a package of self-adhesive ephemera or die-cut stickers. All you have to do is peel the back off, and then you can stick them right to your project. There is a variety of shapes and sizes and items included. We have a bunch of mushrooms. We have also not only little decorative bits, but we also have these large tabs that come in a variety of patterns and colors. As you can see here, there's lots of them, and they match the collection perfectly. There's lots of different mushrooms and leaves, and then even some that are a little bit smaller and a little bit bigger. So you have a variety of art and then also shapes and sizes as well. All right, there is also a stamp included in the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and this is exclusive to this kit. You won't find it in any of the others. And in case I didn't say it, this ephemera is included also in our planner kit. Now, last but not least, we also have a roll of washi tape, and it is exclusive to this kit as well. So this is the Moss Mirth Deluxe Journaling Kit, and if you'd like to see any of the items a little bit closer up or see some digital renderings or projects created, you can go to our website and click on the subscribe tab and find the Deluxe Journaling Kit. We are going to take a look at our Moss Mirth Stationery Kit. This kit contains some unique items that are not found in other kits, and it's also designed to not be specific to any type of project. So you can use these supplies no matter what you're doing, card making or journaling, scrapbooking, planners, that kind of thing. So this is an acetate sheet with the beautiful artwork. And then we have a sheet of vellum also. All right, we also have a sheet of PET stickers. They are kiss cut, so you can simply just peel them right off the page. You don't have to cut them out like a lot of the rolls have been historically, if you are familiar with the rolls of PET tape. We also have a postcard, which is super cute for using as a bookmark or in your projects, or sending to a loved one, because you can see it is set up to actually be sent through the mail. We have some sticker sheets, and the first one is this mushroom sticker sheet. We have a days of the week sticker that has all of these different types of fonts and, with art and things like that. And then a sheet of the fern stickers. There is an adorable little mushroom embroidered paperclip. Isn't that so cute? There is a vinyl sticker included this month as well. And we have our vellum self-adhesive die cuts, or we can call them stickers if that's more comfortable for you. They are either one, really. You just simply peel off the back and then you can go ahead and use them. There are lots of different images in different sizes, so they're not all small or large. There is a variety included. And these are, as I already said, vellum, and you just peel the back off and stick them right to the page. Next up is our sticky notepad. So this is just a little notepad that you can just stick to whatever. It has, you know what a sticky notepad is. And the background is kind of that birch bark pattern. We also have a wooden stamp that's got our little Cocoa Daisy on it. Isn't that super cute? And the red rubber gives you a great impression when you're stamping. And then we also have our little pin. So this one has mushrooms printed on it. And then when you turn it over on the back, you can see that it has the pin backing. However, if you'd like to pull that right off, in our shop, we sell these giant paper clips and they have a big magnet. Once you've removed the pin backing, you can stick it right here and use this as a big paper clip to keep all of the things together. So you can see how big this is. It's really giant, or you can just use it as a pin. Either one works. And we also have a roll of washi tape. This one has a whole bunch of mushroom caps. Fun, huh? So this is the Moss Mirth Stationery Kit, and you can find this on our website on the subscribe page, or if you're already a subscriber, in your subscriber portal.